day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Mylene Ganaban Cortez. I'm 35 years old. I'm married. I have 2 kids, 1 daughter, 1 son, 14 and 6 years old. I live in Kawain City, Isabela, Philippines. I'm high school graduate.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I have working experience, Saudi Arabia in 2 years finished contract. I serve 8 person, 1 couple, 6 children. I work in cleaning, ironing, washing, cooking, marketing, and take care of child.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, Mom and Sir. I hope you select me as your employee. I do all my best. I'm hardworking, honest, trustworthy, and good person.
Okay.